Mixing Vaseline with cucumber looks wrong until you see what it does. At first glance, it looks like one of those strange combinations. People scroll past without thinking twice. But this simple blend has been quietly used by people who understand skin balance. Start by grabbing a fresh cucumber. Choose one that feels firm and full of water. We don't need the entire vegetable, only half of it is enough. Cut it lengthwise and set the other half aside. Now take a grater and use the fine side. This part matters. Slowly grate the cucumber until it turns into a soft, watery pulp. The finer the texture, the better it blends later. As you grate, you'll notice how much liquid it releases. That natural juice is exactly what we want. This will be our base. Next comes the first added ingredient. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of sugar. It might seem unexpected, but sugar plays an important role here. Now add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. Any brand works, any color, any formula. Just 1 spoon is enough. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Next comes the star ingredient, Vaseline. Add 1 tablespoon, no more than that. Vaseline is thick and rich, so a small amount goes a long way. As soon as it hits the bowl, you'll see how it changes the texture of everything else. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, coconut oil works just as well. This ingredient brings fluidity and helps everything blend into a uniform mixture instead of separating. Now take a fork and begin mixing slowly. Press, fold, and stir until all the ingredients fully combine. At first it may look uneven, but keep going. After a minute or two, it transforms into a smooth, creamy blend with a soft sheen. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. Each ingredient has a purpose. The cucumber provides natural hydration and freshness. Sugar helps smooth the surface and supports renewal. Toothpaste contributes balance and clarity. Vaseline locks everything in, while the oil allows the mixture to spread easily and evenly. Once fully mixed, it's ready to apply. Choose areas where the skin looks dull, tight, or lacks moisture. Apply a generous layer and massage gently. You can leave it uncovered, or, for deeper results, cover the area and let it rest for 15 minutes. During this time, let the mixture sit undisturbed. This step allows everything to settle and interact fully. When the time is up, rinse gently with water and pat dry. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. The difference is immediate. The skin feels softer, looks smoother, and reflects light in a way that's hard to ignore. This is one of those rare combinations that feels simple yet delivers results you don't expect from everyday ingredients. If this surprised you, share it with someone who loves simple care routines. Sometimes the most effective solutions are already waiting in your kitchen.